and welcome to this week's 5 Things with the Downtown Denver Partnership. I'm Virgil Plaka, Manager of Civic Leadership Programs, here to bring you the 5 things that you need to know from the partnership and downtown this week. So let's jump in. Number 1. Have you ever wondered how a park is designed? Well, now's your chance to get behind the scenes. Join us on March 4th at the second public workshop for the reimagining of Skyline Park. You will get to review design concepts, provide feedback, and share what matters to you as this important communal space is redesigned. We each have a unique opportunity and responsibility to take part in the design process to ensure this renovation leads to a more inclusive space that is welcoming to all. Check out the link below to register. Number 2. Speaking of downtown's public realm, join us tomorrow, February 23rd, for a member briefing, Downtown Denver's open space and the reconstruction of the 16th Street Mall. Hear from Adam Perkins, our Senior Manager of Urban Planning, and from our partners at Gensler and the Department of Transportation and Infrastructure as we dive into our plans to increase and enhance downtown's open spaces and give an update on the mall reconstruction. This is slated to begin later this year. Register with the link below. Number 3. Last week, Colorado lawmakers resumed the 2021 legislative session. A key conversation during this session is Governor Polis's proposed $1.3 billion recovery package, which will aid in job creation, provide support to small businesses, help families, and get Colorado on a quicker path towards economic recovery. Number 4. We love a good startup success story, especially when it involves beer. The Beer Spa, whose entrepreneurial journey went through the Commons on Champa, officially opened in 5 Points this month, offering a wide range of wellness services centered around the benefits of beer. We're proud that the Commons is able to provide resources to startups like the Beer Spa, and we look forward to seeing more of our entrepreneurs hit these kinds of milestones. Congratulations. Number 5. We are pleased to welcome back Tamika Butler, our 2019 annual meeting keynote speaker, for not 1, but 2 upcoming webinars as part of our Diversity and Inclusion Speaker Series. Tamika will be joining us on February 24th for a conversation on rebuilding with equity and for a roundtable discussion on March 1st. Register for both with the links below. And there you have it, 5 things you need to know this week, brought to you by the Downtown Denver Partnership. We hope that you have a great week, wear a mask, and remember, every day is your chance to make this city a better place.